the iPhone 4, but also works with other technology as well, in the fact that it's got Bluetooth technology built in. So if you had another manufacturer's handset, you could connect to this via Bluetooth rather than docking your device. So very quick look around the packaging, shows it's got Bluetooth 2.1, and we've also got some smart scan technology in the top there, and that's what it uses to transmit the music content on your device to your car's stereo system. Around on the back we've got some more information about the product, and you can see that it's got a 12-volt charger with smart fuse, and it works with the iPhone and Bluetooth mobile phones. So let's put this packaging to one side and give you a look at the actual device itself. So the idea is that this then goes into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. There's a little sleeve that you can put on as well, and that allows you to get a much tighter fit in the socket to save this from moving around loosely. Then we've got this gooseneck design, which is very flexible and allows you to angle the iPhone or mobile phone into any position that you want. Then we've got some controls on the front, and this allows you to use the smart scan technology to actually set a frequency that you're going to transmit on, and you set your car's stereo system to the same frequency as well. This is flanked by a menu button on the right hand side. Now this is really designed for the iPhone, although it does work, as I said, with Bluetooth mobile phones as well. But you can see from the design they want you to actually dock your device on here. It's got a nice flexible grip up the top here, and this means you can get your iPhone 4S in my case in here very easily, even though it is in a case. Okay, so the device plugs into the 12-volt vehicle accessory socket down here. You get a blue and glow light to tell you that it's actually turned on and receiving power. And then the gooseneck arm, as I showed you earlier in the studio, you can rotate this to different positions. You can rotate on this axis as well, and it tilts, so you could go into landscape position if you wanted to. And I've got my frequency here set to 94.6, and it's set to the same on the car stereo, and that means that it will wirelessly transmit to the car stereo as well. And then plugging the device on, just a simple matter of pushing it down through these top arms and then onto the dock connector, and then that actually charges the device. So you can see here we've got it charging whilst we're using it. And let me just show you this as well, so we can obviously rotate round into landscape if we want to. It seems fairly sturdy. I've used this whilst driving and it does wobble about a little bit. You can see it wobbling as I'm speaking, but it's not too bad. It's not sort of unusable. And the quality between the sort of FM transmission between the handset and my car stereo is more than acceptable. Just have a quick look around the back. This little bit here actually unscrews and allows you to remove this top portion if you so wish, and then it also rotates on this axis. Sound quality, I found the sound quality to be very good indeed. Works very well, as I say, with my iPhone 4S, and for hands-free use and charging whilst you're in your vehicle, this is a really good choice. This is the Griffin RoadTrip HandsFree. It's going to cost you £58 if you're in the UK, $88 if you're in the US. It's a good choice for charging and using your device whilst you're in your vehicle. Probably less useful if you're not using an iOS device with this 30-pin dock connector, but great all the same that you can still connect other devices via Bluetooth.